Hi, I'd like to take a little time here to talk to you about caring for your new best friend, the Epson Artisan. First of all, let me make this abundantly clear. This is not a great place for sleeping cats. Sorry, buddy. Pet hair can be one of the biggest problems when it gets into your printer, so be sure to keep your old friends away from your new friend. Now, if you ever happen to notice a problem with banding, and what this is when there's a color that's missing or out, or if you're noticing lines show up, it might be time to clean your printer heads. But you should probably run a nozzle check first. Let me show you how to do that. So here's the Epson Artisan's properties window. And of course you find all the familiar settings for getting a great photo. But before we do that, let's make sure that our Epson Artisan is up and running properly. Here in the Maintenance tab, you can see a lot of different options. And you'll probably want to start off by running a nozzle check. Doing this will give you a test pattern that you can actually compare to what we're seeing on the screen here. If there's any discrepancies, you might want to run a head cleaning. But if it matches up good, that means your Epson Artisan is good. And that's good. Let me show you what one of these things looks like. Everything looks perfect. So I know I'm good to go. No need for a head cleaning. If we really wanted to, we could run the head cleaning right here, as it's the next option. Sometimes you might need to run a print head alignment. You'll know if you ever need to do this. The easiest way to tell is if the text seems a little bit jagged or unclear. There's also printer and option information. And of course, if you're not sure, but you're thinking there might be a problem, you can always run the Epson Status Monitor 3, and this is going to check out everything about the Artisan and make sure that it's okay. Once you've run all these checks, you're good to go and ready to make your great print. If you're properly caring for your Artisan, chances are you'll probably never have to use any of these. And don't forget, it's always easy and convenient if it's not connected to a computer to run these checks directly from the touchscreen. Be sure to keep your scanner lid closed when you're not using it. And in case you're concerned about fingerprints or dust, whenever you decide to clean the glass, make sure you're using a microfiber cloth and spray any kind of cleaning solution you might be using onto the cloth before cleaning. Don't spray it directly onto the glass. If you can follow these simple tips and suggestions, well, you'll be scanning and printing well into the future.
Epson. Exceed your vision.